All right, guys, we are gonna do an unboxing. So we haven't done this in a long time on the channel, and I know I promised recently that I would do a video, a goal every 2 weeks. Well, that's just not gonna happen. But I'll do one whenever I've got one. But I got a really cool package today. So Julie and I went on a trip a while back, and man, I don't even think I posted the video of the place we went. We went to a place called Rainy Day Revival. They're well known for that name, but now they're just called the Oddities shop. It was on a trip that we took to North Carolina, and they had a few things that I wanted there that are like gaffs that are really big, that kind of go along with my Fiji mermaid that I got that was made by Juan Cabana. This is another gaff or a version of a gaff of something that I've wanted for a long time. They actually had one there. Some of these I don't really like the look of them. This one specifically was just, I don't know, it's kind of one of the coolest ones that I've seen of its kind. We actually just went to Oddities and Curiosities Expo last weekend, and there was a guy selling one there, and I liked it. Just this one really, the look of it's so much cooler. And this is actually the second thing I've bought from them, and they like hot glue the boxes, and man, that's such a good, it really keeps these things closed. But I just recently bought another piece from these guys, and I think that might be why he wrote on here, he wrote, "Thanks, man," on the cardboard piece there. Because I actually bought another piece that I haven't showed you guys yet. I did not do a video of it yet. I will do another video for that. And man, ooh, I needed some packing peanuts. All right, so let's get this bad boy out of here. What did Steve buy? Oh man, I'm loving these peanuts. I needed some. Oh, this thing is in such great shape. All right, these things are so weird. My wife says she wants me to put it somewhere where she can't ever see it. But it is an Sasquatch or woolly booger. So it's a deer's butt made into a gaff Sasquatch. This one is so cool because it has those red eyes. It has those red eyes, and it's got this cool snout, and its whiskers are done really cool. And man, it's just really well done. I mean, this thing is nice, very well done. It's got some peanuts, packing peanuts on there. But anyway, this thing is so cool. I have wanted an Sasquatch forever, or woolly booger. There's like a bunch of different names for this gaff, but I finally have one. Finally add it to my collection. I'm so excited to have it. And all right, that's it. I'll just leave it short. So that's what Steve's Haunted Yard has been doing lately, is growing his weird oddities collection, and you know, things and stuff like that. So Texas Haunters Convention is coming up. I'm definitely trying to go. So for anyone that watches this video, if you're going to go to Texas Haunters Convention, super excited about it. I will actually have to be in Tyler right before, and I'm hoping I can get back in time to head to Texas Haunters Convention to come visit with everybody and have a good time, because I'm not vending there this year because of a thing that we have to do right before for one of the kids for college. So just the timing didn't work, but I definitely want to get back from that and head out to Texas Haunters Convention and hang out with everybody. I'm super excited about it. So hopefully I can make it, and if you see me there, stop and say hello. All right, guys, you guys know what to do. Get your haunt on, or in this video's case, get your Sasquatch on.